Hello, busy people. Welcome to Intelligent Investor YouTube channel. And today I have selected one more short investment stock, that is GAIL India Limited. And the same stock is I have suggested for today's intraday in yesterday's video. You can see the same thing, the same levels I have provided. Whatever the levels I have provided here, the same levels I have provided yesterday's intraday suggestion stocks. So now I have clearly mentioned that if it is crossed the above line, it will be bullish, and if it is crossed the below line, it will be bearish. Only for intraday I am talking about. So for investment, it will be a bullish one. So for short-term investment, it will be a my view is a bullish. Okay, and today exactly at the high of yesterday's high, it is open, and then it retested the yesterday's high. You can find it here. Yeah, see, it is retested this level, and then it's gone up. And now it is holded here, and it will go up as well. Okay, further. So, and if we come to the other analysis, I am now drawing a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and see, this is a weekly chart. Now I am analyzing now, and when I am drawing this Fibonacci retracement, because it is increased price from here. Okay, that is why I drawn from here. If you don't know how to draw this, you will be finding more videos on YouTube. You can go through there. Okay, and this is exactly at the 50%. It has taken the support from the 50%, and it is moving up. Okay, and if we come to the day chart, see, it is clearly showing this level is tested more than 4 times. Sorry, this level is tested more than 4 times, and it is not broken this level. It didn't break. See, here also this zone, we can say this is one zone kind of thing. So yeah, see, initially it has taken it faced the resistance, again it came down, and then it crossed, and the resistance become a support here, and then again it went up, and then again came here and taken support, and again taken support, and here you can find 3 times it has tested, and it is crossed. And one more confirmation is the trend line. The trend line also it has broken and going further, and if you see here, it has broken, and again it came to retest, then again it is going further. If you see here, the volume, the amount of volume here which is built here is continuously the buyers are keep on buying. So here if you see here, the volume, red and green candles are mixing together, but here the only green candles you can find it over here. So this is also one kind of confirmation. And if you see the value zone, it is coming to the value zone, it is undervalued, so it should cross this value zone, or at least it will come to the value zone, and it will hold some time, hold some days, and again it will give a breakup. So here my target would be, the first target would be here at 152 level, then the second target is 164, then the third target is 171, and if it is crossed this, then it will be going to make a newer high. Okay, and once it is reached the first target, you just put the stop loss of this area. Okay, put a stop loss or trailing stop loss here in this zone, and if it is reverse again, then our profits will be in a you won't be get loss. Okay, the trailing stop loss will save your profit again. Then it is crossing, then you can fully enjoy these all the profits. Okay, coming to the exports and others view technicals, we will be seeing this in your daily analysis. Technicals I am seeing now, it is showing buy, and in the monthly also it is showing buy, and in the weekly it is neutral actually, but yeah, it is okay for short term. Okay, see the buyer buying. Yeah, if you see here, the moving average is showing a strong buy, and oscillators also showing it's a buy. And if you see other indicator, I mean moving average is also suggesting it is all the above of the moving averages. Here the moving averages are mentioned, right? 30, 20, 10 and 50, 100. It is above all, but it is below the simple moving average 100 and below the simple moving average 200. But that is fine, it will go further up. Okay, and this is a pivot levels. You can find this thing also and take a trade, and you do further analysis on this and you can take further. Okay, and if you come to the financials, if you see here, last earnings, yeah, earnings actuals, the estimates is this much and the earnings are more, surprise. So here is not yet came, but this one is the estimations are little bit more and the actual earnings are little bit less. But yeah, here it was performed well, so it's good. On the income statement, it is showing the revenue part. It is yeah, okay, compared to last year it was performed well, but compared to last year it was reduced little bit, but yeah, it's okay kind of thing. If you see here, for a short term this is fine. For a short term we are using, it's not a long term, so it is fine, we can consider this. And the balance sheet, if you see here, the assets are more and the liabilities are less, but if you compare to last year, I mean 2019, this is increased, but see the bars, the bar size, so compared to that it is fine, okay kind of thing. And if you see the cash flow, they put the more for the operations, so that would be great. So the operations side, it would be great. And yeah, if you see the ideas of other experts, and what they have given their ideas. If you see 19 years back, so only it is 19 hours back only, one guy has posted that Gale trend line breakout, okay, can go for long. Okay, looks good for the targets. See the targets also they have provided. You can follow this thing also. And the Gale complete flat corruption daily, okay, chart, okay, wave, okay, okay, see the arrow mark they have provided, green arrow mark, very big. And see broken, the Gale broken out, okay, yeah, these comments, and you can go through this, you can open, if you open these things, you will get to know what exactly they have spotted over there and why they are suggesting. Yeah, see, it was a previous video they have provided like this. See, there is a W pattern, a W top pattern, yeah, the M pattern, like double top pattern was found, and they thought of it will go down, but it has taken support here itself, and it's moving further up. So this is how they analyzed. And furthermore, I will see another analysis as well, like with the where I open that. Yeah, ticket tab in. We will see the expert suggestions and further analysis we can do here. Yeah, from here also we can find. Yeah, and one more thing I forgot to show you that yeah, the values. See here the EPS is, it's 21 is very nice actually, and the dividend yield is also 4.66. This is very good, and the PE is very less, but yeah, less is undervalued, but yeah, it should not, if it is below 30 that would be great, but it should be like around 20 25, that will be more value than this. But okay, for short term investment we can do, we can grab that short term um, spike, we can grab that opportunity, okay, from over here, over there. Okay, yeah, come to this further due. If you see this Gale India, the we can find it here, the checklist, investment checklist they have provided here. Current price is less than the intrinsic value, the value area. I told you, right, I have shown you over chart the value area, the yellow line. It, yeah, see, it is lesser than this intrinsic value, so it is showing it's a good to the stock. Actually it will come here, and it will cross the that value area. Okay, returns versus FD rates. Okay, stock has been generating better return on equity than bank FD. It is, if you compare this compare with the FD, bank FD, I mean fixed deposit, it is given good returns only. Okay, dividend returns, the stock offers good dividend returns. Yeah, I have shown you, right, 4.3 kind of thing here. Some different is there, but okay, fine. Entry point, good time to consider this stock. Good time to consider this stock is not in overbought zone. Yeah, it is not in overbought zone, so this is also one of the parameter that we can select the stock. And for other stuff, if you see here the PE, PB ratios and sectors, if you know all these things, you can go ahead here. And the forecast and ratings, the analyst has suggested that investors can buy this stock. See, 91% it is showing. 91% might be, it's 30-35 people might be there to give the rating. So 91% of the people is given that we can buy this stock. This is also one of the confirmation. And the financial trends, the same thing which we have seen over there, the same thing here also showing. And the profits, it is a little down, but okay, for short term investment we can go ahead and take a chance. Okay, the promoters, we have to see the promoters as well. Yeah, let us see the holdings, and promoters share we will see here. See here, the best, the good stocks used to have at least the promoter should have 50% of the shares what they have in the company, because the promoter will work for their share value to go up. So if they are selling more shares, so then that would be indicates that that share value will go down, because they wanted to take the profits at the time itself. So here, as per this data also we will get to know. See, the promoters are holding at present in this quarter, I mean September, from the September data I am checking. So 51% they are holding 52% we can say, and other domestic people and foreign investors, see foreign investors it's 18.36. Now we will compare the quarter and quarter. Okay, last year December quarter, if you see the promoter share are 52% and the foreign investors whoever the foreign investors only invest by seeing everything, by checking everything. So by seeing this we will get to know. Okay, here see this data, and the foreign investors and the domestic investors are same here, and here they have increased their investments over here. The foreign investors, mutual funds, domestic investors and retailers. If you see here, compared to this quarter, they have increased here. But for domestic, other domestic institutions, they have withdrawn some amount. If you compare to here, but the foreign institutions, they invested 18.36 compared to 16.96. They increase. So this is also one of the indication that it will go further up. Okay, yeah, please everybody, please consider this analysis. Okay, do further analysis as well on this stock, and you can take a decision whether you go for long in this stock, and yeah, invest and get the profits. And yeah, please do subscribe my channel, like, subscribe and share with your colleagues and friends, whoever is already invested, and support me further. I will give more stocks for investment purpose and intraday purpose. Please have a look in my channel everyday basis. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.